just for an exterior tour. Get a couple shots here real quick. We'll be good to go. So, since this place is closed today, we will be doing just a quick drive around the building to do like an exterior tour, just to kind of show you guys the layout of the Mayfield Museum. So, here's the visiting center. Mayfield. Welcome to Mayfield. Super cute. Outdoor patio.
Laying down.
Little cow laying down, yeah. There we are.
I didn't notice that when we came in, actually, guys.
Then you see like the huge factory, so it's really cool. Do like a quick little drive around. Let's see what we got here. So, here we go. This way. And you can see kind of like double barrels. Big plant. We're gonna go over here. Like over here we have the trucks. Looks like this is where they probably load everything up. Ooh, ow. Ooh, these bumps are kind of bad. It's a pretty cool place. Here we are.
That's cool.
Okay, here's another street view. We just left. Looks like where they possibly like process the stuff, but yeah, we could. Well, I was gonna see where the zoo was, but this is the plant, and wow, easy. Look at all the trucks over there. Look, they're all Mayfield dairy trucks. It's crazy. Sorry, truck. Here's the plant. Pretty crazy.